What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I hope you're all well. AYRO just dropped some major news. This is an EV company that has been on my watch list for a long time, but my conviction in the company's fundamentals just wasn't big enough for me to actually start a position. However, they've just dropped some interesting news that in my opinion makes it a compelling buy. Stick around till the end of the video because I'll quickly provide you with a brief overview of what the company does, their financial position, analyst ratings, and then finally the interesting bit of news that I think will help propel this company forward. AYRO designs and manufactures purpose-built all-electric vehicles to enable sustainable fleets. They deliver industry-leading value to a rapidly expanding market where the need for high-quality, cost-effective, zero-emissions vehicles and technology platforms is becoming increasingly important. The main market for this company is the food delivery market, and the basic idea of why this company should do well, as noted by the CEO of the company, is that third-party delivery services like Grubhub and Uber Eats can charge restaurants up to 30% of the bill to make deliveries. As a result, he argues that restaurants will look to buy their own food delivery vehicles. That argument is quite persuasive, and as I've noted previously, many companies looking to impress the tens of millions of consumers who passionately care about fighting climate change are likely to buy EVs. Given all these points, I think AYRO's food delivery EVs are likely to generate huge revenues for the company. So I hope you get the idea of what this company is trying to achieve and what their primary target market is. The good thing is that they're not competing against the likes of Lucid Motors or Tesla, and less competition means more potential for the company to take a good chunk of the market share. Now, let's take a quick look at their financials. So, earnings are forecasted to grow 91% per year and revenue grew by 19% over the past year. And it's nice to see that they have a healthy balance sheet. AYRO's debt-to-equity ratio is considered satisfactory, and they also have sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years based on their current free cash flow. Next, let's take a look at what the analysts are saying about this company. As you can see, the median target for this company is around $15. Currently, AYRO trades at around $6, so there's plenty of room for it to run still. Now finally, let's talk about the big news that was released just a few hours ago. AYRO announces the launch of the all-electric vaccine vehicle, which is designed specifically to mobilize a flexible, safe, and efficient means of delivering vaccines and testing to millions of people in 2021 and beyond. The electric vaccine vehicle is described as a self-contained, all-electric transportation solution that has been optimized to store, transport, and deliver testing and vaccines to a large population across a wide variety of environments and locations. The zero-emissions vehicle features medical-grade equipment and a made-to-order design by AYRO, and mobile carts lead a gallery. The company says that the EV can also be adapted for future needs like disaster relief, annual flu shot distribution, medical testing, food services, and more. So personally, I think this is massive news and I like where they're going with this. Delivering COVID vaccines in an eco-friendly way is something that the Biden administration would love to entertain. As we know, Biden is big on the environment and also on getting everyone vaccinated as soon as possible. I think they'll start announcing deals and larger sales in the coming quarters. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about this company. Leave a comment below, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.